In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Adobe Express. Whether you're an aspiring artist or just looking to express your creativity, Adobe Express offers a simple yet powerful platform for digital drawing. Let's get started by guiding you through the process, step by step. First, you'll want to open Adobe Express. This can be done by visiting the Adobe Express website on your browser or by launching the app if you have it installed. Once the page or application is open, you should see an option to sign in. Make sure to log in with your Adobe account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to set one up to proceed. After logging in, head to the home page, ensuring you're ready to kick off a new artistic adventure. Now, the next step is to create a drawing canvas where your masterpiece will come to life. To do this, locate and click the plus button, usually found on the home page. This action will prompt the interface to display various design options and templates. In the search bar provided, type the word drawing. This will filter through the options to direct you to the drawing template or canvas. Select it, and you'll be taken to a blank canvas, ready for your creation. With the canvas in place, it's time to choose your brush, an essential tool for any artist. Open the brush panel, which provides a wide range of configurations. Here, you'll find a size slider, which lets you modify the thickness or thinness of your brushstrokes. It's crucial to adjust this according to the detail you wish to achieve in your drawing. Remember, the size you choose can significantly impact the look and feel of your artwork. Next, you need to select a color for your brush. Adobe Express offers a palette of colors right at your fingertips. For even more options, you can utilize the eyedropper tool within the More Colors panel to pick any shade your heart desires. It's an excellent feature for matching colors or exploring a variety of tones. After setting your brush size and color, you can select a brush style. Adobe Express categorizes these options into several groups, including basic, multicolor, art supplies, and decorative. Each style offers a unique texture and effect, so feel free to explore these categories to find the brush that resonates best with your artistic vision. Now comes the most exciting part, drawing on the canvas. Using your mouse, touchscreen, or if you're equipped, a stylus, begin transferring your ideas onto the canvas. The user-friendly setup of Adobe Express allows for smooth motion, whether you're sketching tightly controlled lines or fluid, sweeping curves. And there you have it. You've just drawn in Adobe Express, with a creation that's uniquely yours. Remember, practice makes progress, so keep experimenting with different tools and techniques to unleash your full creative potential with this versatile platform.